Hi, this is Handy TF. In this video, we are going to build a concrete pad, without mixing it first. This is the area in the back of my yard, and the truck cannot get in there. It will certainly do my back no good by using a mixer. So I am trying this tripod method. There is not much to do to prepare the area, as long as it is not soft, you don't need to remove the grass, or debris. And it is not necessary to wet the ground first, or put down a base layer of gravel. I just use the dirt to fill the gap in the lower area. Unlike the wet concrete, the dry concrete has no pressure, so the dirt will hold. I use 2x3 to lay out the perimeter of the slab. 2x3 gives me 2.5 inch thick of the slab. That is what I need. If you use 2x4, you will get 1 inch thicker. Pouring the concrete is as simple as dumping bags into the pad area and raking with a heavy steel rake to a level height. You want to add wire mesh to reinforce for larger slab. I use 2x3 to screed the surface. I have done it several passes, but some rocks still exposed. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. Misting the surface carefully, not to wash away concrete on the surface. Misting it once every hour for 3 times. It is important to get that top crust formed and hardening up correctly. I then showered the pad 2 times a day for 7 days. A fox wants to test it out before the surface was hardened, and it made a little mess on the surface. After 48 hours, I remove the form, and it hardens enough to walk on it. As you can see, it is not very easy to get smooth finish. Maybe I should have tried to do the paint roller thing to give the surface a very smooth, nice looking finish after screeding is done. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.